Hey, it's Jess and Cliff back again, and this time we're helping you keep your dryer in top shape. First things first, don't forget to clean the lint filter after each cycle. This easy chore helps your dryer work efficiently and is a must-do. The filter is usually tucked away behind the door. Just pull it out and swipe off the lint with your hand. Uh-oh, spot a waxy buildup on the filter? No problem. Just wash it in warm, soapy water and make sure it's thoroughly dry before putting it back in. Remember, always make sure to put the lint filter back in after you clean it. You should never run your dryer without the lint filter in. The filter's housing needs some love too. A vacuum or dryer lint brush works wonders to clean up this part of your machine. What's more, select GE and GE Profile dryers come with a nifty feature called Vent Sensor. This genius addition alerts you when it detects potential issues in your dryer vent, helping you maintain optimal performance. And here's a yearly task to put on your calendar. Have a qualified service technician clean your exhaust duct. It might sound over the top, but trust us, if you start noticing your clothes taking ages to dry, a partially clogged exhaust could be the culprit. And you wouldn't believe the other things they check, like making sure no small animals have decided to take up residence in your duct or hood. And there you have it, maintenance tips to keep your dryer running smooth and safe. For more tech features, be sure to check out our GE Profile Ultrafast Combo that uses heat pump technology and doesn't need ducting, plus results in less lint. Until next time, happy drying!